Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into a product perfect for those chilly outdoor adventures: heated insoles by Aimshine. Let's see if these rechargeable foot warmers are worth the investment. These heated insoles boast a 3,500 mAh battery, providing up to 13 hours of warmth on a single charge. Perfect for those long days out in the cold. And with 3 heat settings ranging up to a toasty 152 degrees Fahrenheit. You can customize your comfort level to suit any weather condition. Whether you're hitting the slopes, trekking through the wilderness, or just braving the icy sidewalks, these insoles promise to keep your feet warm and cozy. Plus, they're designed to fit comfortably in most shoes and boots, so you can enjoy that warmth without sacrificing mobility. One feature I really appreciate is the remote control, which allows you to adjust the heat settings without even taking off your gloves. And with the LED screen displaying your chosen temperature, it's easy to keep track of your settings, even in low light conditions. Now, let's talk about charging. These insoles recharge quickly and conveniently via USB, so you can juice them up anywhere you have access to a power source. Plus, the battery is cleverly positioned at the bottom of the insole, ensuring it won't interfere with the fit of your shoes. But don't just take my word for it. Users have been raving about the comfort and warmth provided by these heated insoles. Whether you're out for a leisurely stroll or working a demanding job like in a rock quarry, these insoles are sure to keep your feet happy and warm. So, are Aimshine's heated insoles the ultimate solution for cold feet during your outdoor adventures? With their long battery life, customizable heat settings, and comfortable design, they certainly seem like a promising option. But as always, the final verdict is up to you.